Hello, dear friends, all lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you according to your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ahmadike, Biafra land. Long live United States of Biafra. Long live the good people of Biafra. My people, in this video, you will learn a lot. So do not be in a hurry. Tighten your seatbelts and watch this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Let's go. We have seen a video of Chinese students who are studying Igbo language. That video was shown to us by the former Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osibanjo. But today's video, you will see what is much more than that of the Chinese. This is Vatican. The Vatican Church, or the Catholic Church, where the Pope presided, conducted their Mass in Igbo language. Now, take a look.
Word of God, who became man for us, support those who in this holy year have asked for mercy and forgiveness, so that they be sustained on their journey through life. And now the liturgy of the Eucharist will commence with the entrance procession, representatives of various nations and bringing the gifts, presenting the gifts.
Good. Many of my people are proud. Igbo to the world. Igbos to the world. Can you see? It's a thing of pride for them who are Catholics and the religious people. Okay? But there is something that is quite very, very interesting that I observed, apart from the fact that Igbo was used to conduct this service in Rome, in Vatican, by Pope. Did you see the couples that joined in the procession to deliver gifts to the Pope? The man especially, particularly. If the working mother was adorned with Uozia, inside the Church in Vatican. But if you come back to Africa, in my homeland, I'm trying to put this thing together. Whether is there any version, their own version of Christianity and our own version of Christianity? Well, who am I to say? Abumundio Kenewa, Echigwano Mechichi, eme ewelụzie nke ikpukpu okpu echichi gị ka i wee kpee ekpele iburu gị gọkwa ọjị n'ala Igbo. Ndị be anyị na-agụ ọjị n'ala Igbo ma na-ekpukpu okpu. That is to tell you that our people reverence God in a special, it's a mark of respect. Oyiba manifest as a respect, and some of our people have copied that culture. But I love the way the young man was boldly marching to deliver that in his regalia. Was here in full representation of whom he is. They're proud of Igbo land, my people. Never call go. Any day, agora ni see. Any day, try ni see. Get better say I go with they drop a complete. Igbo amaka. I really appreciate being an Igbo. What's up? Have a wonderful Christmas celebration. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate special people on this platform. You have been following, you have been sharing, you have been commenting, you have been engaging, you have been criticizing, you have been teaching. Some of you are teaching me English here, and I appreciate every one of you. Those who have been praying for me, because all I know here in this dungeon called Nigeria is not easy in our advocacy for good governance. Your prayers have been able to sustain us. We don't take it lightly. Your moral support, your guidance is really giving us the courage to continue in this advocacy. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you. I also want to appreciate special people, because without fund, my brother, na ukasho. You want to go? Maka dibia bulonu na go for. If organize, So I appreciate people who have been financially supporting us. Mande kabalum Christmas. Unmentioned bafa. Mrs. Oka for Ketavo. Kama okena yabafa. I really appreciate you. You just called me on 25th. Send 19 yellow account. Kebalum Christmas. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Papa Nuku. You called me in November, called Christmas in December. I appreciate you. You know yourselves. May God continue to bless you. And then Christmas. I am very ready, because if I have Christmas, na side I Now and again, got one opportunity. That na enwelo there is a very big sales in a poultry farm. If you okukondia almost laboba or by dinner size. I'm telling you honestly. If you wait okuko or deliver. If all the numbers seen on the screen now, you just be home and drive. Your man you bakata Christmas at Takatano, no matter what, how bad Nigeria is. My people, they must reach home and then about the Christmas here. Just call the numbers on the screen, and you are home and drive. Go look chicken on nature for this Christmas. You go look what you go in the buggy, so that one half your and half frying kebegi and half frying kenebuggy. Open your beef and air with that. You do no can even. So on our ball, Yabalo and also the good about Christmas, more than our ball on the other. Have a very wonderful time. I'm Mazi Nnamdi Peters, your advocate for good governance. Bye-bye for now. GGN, uniting the people for good governance.